Asi anos ken panakaawat. Dagitoy ti sentro ti mensahe ti Provincial Government of Abra kadagiti empleyado ti gobyerno kabayatan ti flag raising ceremony itang umuna a Lunes ti Pebrero. Naduma-duma a serbisyo ti ipapaay ti PGA ken dagiti nagdudumang opisina ken ahensya ti gobyerno. Isu nga ita a Feb Ibig month na ipagunam-gunam ti panakay parik na ti panagayat kadagiti Abreños babaen ti napudno a serbisyo publiko.
Ayat nga isu ti Mang Ted tinasayat nga rikna kat nagserbi tayo kan kanayon as ipupudno kadagiti pada tayo nga tao nang nangruna ken ni Abreño. But beyond these celebrations and symbols, Valentine's Day invites us to reflect on how we express when we choose to work not only with our minds but also with our hearts. Public service becomes more meaningful and impactful.
Patyente gobyerno probinsyal, ano awan ti asi, anos ken panakaawat, awan serbi ti panagserbi iti probinsya. Kabayatan na ito dingmet itangal daw ti Pebrero at Tax Awareness Month.
The Tax Awareness Month aims to enhance public awareness of tax laws, rules, and regulations, thereby improving tax collection and public trust in the tax administration system. The BIR is committed to modernize and enhance the efficiency, transparency, and effectiveness of tax administration and revenue collection processes. It also aims an extensive digital transformation to enhance tax compliance, digitize tax, simplify procedures, and enhance security.
Inalokay ti Bureau of Internal Revenue dagiti taxpayers iti panangipila ti annual income tax return and payment sakbay ti deadline nga April 15. Kabayatan ti panang obserbar ti Tax Awareness Month maiyuswa ti launching ti BIR Biz Launches kenrang tay ti serbisyo ti BIR program kadagiti LGUs. Immapela dapay ti suporta kadagiti local chief executives seknan kadagiti na duma-duma a serbisyo da apakalag-anan dagiti taxpayers.
May we take this opportunity to appeal to the local chief executives to support and welcome these programs and activities of the Bureau to be conducted in your respective LGUs to eventually help your constituents gain knowledge and give them easier access to the BIR frontline services and to efficiently enhance tax compliance, wherein tax collections of the Bureau shall go back to your respective LGUs in multiple folds in the form of PIRA or NTA.
Agtutuloy met ti panagited ti Land Transportation Abra Field Office kadagiti napabaro ken readable plates. Naipakamupay nga daan kapabilidad ti LTO Abra amang ti theoretical driving certificate kadagiti agkasapulan ken naibinsa-binsapay dagiti pagsiaatan saknan ti panagusar ti electronic driver's license. Iti nagsasaruno anay maldit a vehicular incidents ti probinsya inyibkas damenen ti safety road slogan da.
Safe driving saves lives. Every time we traverse our roads, it is human nature to prioritize our own safety. However, we must consider the safety of other road users. Watch the cars around you to prevent road crashes. Iwasan naman po nating magbiyahe na para ba tayong gumagawa ng mga music video, no? Remember, you should not transact with fixers, transact with our PACD officers.
Jessica Boreta, Balitang Solid North.